Boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you having a wonderful day today, what you know my style. One bag and one I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it in so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, and girl, it's a lot. You see me, I said, Beenie Man is under fire after naming all of his 30 children. You see me, I said, because it looked like some of the baby mother them, in particular one, get stabbed. You see me, I said, and possibly, well, let's hear what he has to say about, you know, his naming his children, and then we'll proceed. And I'll tell you what the people in myself.
You have Seaga.
Yes.
Seaga. Where's the guy? Yeah, you have Akeem.
All right.
And then you have Rahim.
Right.
You have Mosiah, Moses, and Marco Dean. And then you have Crystal.
Yes. But we are left off now.
No, we're not left off nobody.
Okay.
You tell me if you name them.
All right, to read 7.
Read 7. All right, you have, you say Crystal already, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a Carlene baby. Then we have Ikea.
Yes.
Which is Mosiah's sister. Two of them come from the same mom.
Yeah.
And everything. Then little baby Zia there. After that now we have Anthony Davis.
All right. About 2 more we have left?
Yeah, 2 more left. Oh God. I want to call all them to them. Now next time I live in America, she name Ashley.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Remember all them to them, remember that we voted, just now I call it them.
Yes, man. All right.
And then we have my little daughter, don't have sentence.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Now people, let's give Beenie Man a break. You see me, I say, some of you know, can't you remember only 2 pitney them. You see it, much less having 12. You know what I mean? I just said 30 just to be, you know, sarcastic. You see me, I say, but as you can see, hey people that much listening and what stuck out, well, NYC Cafe said, you know, so after Crystal daughter, he got others pregnant. You see me, I say, I been a man and the girl named Sugar, you know. You see me, I say, and what else stuck out to the people them was, that's a Carlene baby. Meaning, you know, he can only remember his children by how many baby mothers he's been with. Or that's not his child. You see me, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that. You know, Beenie Man is engaged to Camille as we speak. But I guess we'll have to touch base on that to another time. Now look on beautiful Jamaica. It look like PNP and JLP, they're trying to block free water from the people there. You see me, I say, and this is not a good look because you know the water come from cockpit country. You know what I mean? We see the crisis that's going on on the island between these 2 fronts because that's all it is. You see me, I say. But let's look at, you know, how they're stealing and blocking the water from people and them sending the water in the depth on the island and all of these stuff. You see me, I say. And dangling over in the head for votes like a joke.
This is the water source. See? Look on the water source. You see water pretty clear and blue. Imagine that. And you are going. And yes, so then go build pan. See wall about there. It's a wash wall I want share wall. You see me? So I can't understand say a big water source there so. And the government not even step in to say here we are going. We can use this water source to benefit the community or the surrounding area. You see? A concrete in my much long night. Because right under so, you dig out here, you have water that come from each corner of the stone. You have a spring here so. This is a riverbed. Honest to God. So anybody feels the ocean is not the ocean. This is me saying fresh water. Whole heap of water spring up out the ground. One pan right up so you can't enjoy all now and it's so hot of you. So imagine that. So I can't blame the government that even step in and try to do something about this. Once you find a water source, there is no building. No building shouldn't be going on that property at all. Nothing should be built there. In no farm or ship. See all the water here and the water you can't enjoy. A concrete dump up through that to get rid of the water and you can't get rid of it. Because it's a spring. And you can't stop water from spring up once you dig out it, you go continue spring. So over years ago have like a water source problem in the future, and then can recognize that. If you look straight down here, so you can see one pool, and then so deep. Them say deep, it's deep, pretty freaking deep. I'll continue this later on and let you guys get some more information about what's going on over here because we work over here, but I like the idea. But we still do it as well.
Yeah, putting in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, people, Andrew and Mark, they're friends. You see me, I said, they're just waiting their time to get, fill them pockets lined up with money. You see it. Now, Foota hype is basically defending Mark Golden being a Jamaican citizen with a dual citizenship. You see me, I said, he's bringing it out, exposing Babsy Grange and Edward Seaga for having dual and all of these things. You see me?
Good night, good night. We need to talk to him a little bit. When you talk everybody, wake up everybody. To one show. Yo, no. Tag everybody. Link up everybody. We need to talk to you. We need to talk to you. Tag somebody. Tag. More ask some logical question. More ask logical question. This crazy. We are talking like politics here now. Talk like politics. Hungry box me. Done. Game done. Celtics win the game. Alright, we can mute this now. Hear me, I say, people. What's really going on in Jamaica? Cause me kind of fuss up. Me not too overstand where I go. Me wonder if I me when I see the foolishness where I go. What going on in Jamaica? Alright, so let me address this first. I'm get 1 million DM about it. The Jamaica Labour Party a protest say Mark Golden have dual citizenship. A number of Jamaica Labour Party MP have dual citizenship too. Right? Remember why me I eat so late? Because I'm hungry. So, me I try to overstand now. Both parties have people with dual citizenship. Then, everybody I make this big fuss about Mark Golden. We have bigger problem than that right now. I could be honest. The same Andrew Hollis we attack. Him was Seaga assistant. Seaga wasn't even Jamaican parents. Edward Seaga was a US born citizen where the CIA planned for mash up Jamaica. See? Put him for mash up Jamaica. Him born at Boston. Him never have no Jamaican parents, no Jamaican background. I won't never talk about that. I want to talk about Mark. I don't understand. Seaga don't even have Jamaican parents. And a uno leader, a him uno follower. I am Andrew each up round for how much years. Right now, dual citizen or not. Anybody right now better than Andrew. I could have even one immigrant from a different world. I could have even one alien. Here's my next problem. The news, no bother or no. With how much women, especially, are dead since week. How much women dead since week? I don't think Andrew should have more do a press conference about that. We don't see the rampant murder them where happen every day. There's no grip on crime, none at all. No. Remember we are bad boy and we love the badness and way, but this we are going on madness. And it's like the gunman them just know say police are idiot. And just know say yo, I really can't fight it now. I just talk kill and do what we are doing. No response to nobody. How many here? Sometimes when I beat Andrew, but I have to beat him. I have to beat him because of them foolishness there. Make me have to beat him. When you run and come and talk about dual citizenship, like people in your cabinet now have dual citizenship too. And some of them, when they win them seat, have to revoke them dual citizenship because they want to run. The two parties them have people with dual citizenship. That is no question if Mark Golding can do the job. Whether I'm a single citizen or a dual citizen. We want somebody to do a better job than you, Andrew. Because you now do the right thing. Oh, me not hear you come talk about none of them female murder here. Oh, me not hear Andrew Holness as a boy. Oh, strong, me your friend and everything. But you have to leave that post here now. You understand what I'm saying? Me can't bother when Andrew them come with a little nonsense thing, they might treat little common people. Them. People there with sense. Or still have pay attention. See? Oh, me not see you come. Oh, you not feel that grief there on the earth if it's so much woman are dead. See them gunshot on a woman. Kick off her door and kill her. I don't know the reason, I don't know. But me just have said. The murder business wild at Jamaica. Me realize Andrew Holness and him entire team watch me live them and listen what me I talk. And them know me make sense. That's why I see them promise the people them hospital and everything what me talk about, right? No problem. Nothing wrong if me I complain and the Prime Minister listen. My lord, you know, sister, we have a serious crime problem. We have a serious crime problem, you know. You're not going to start pay attention until them kill a politician. At that time, you have to take it serious. When the regular people them are dead in a care. Or that, if you think that, when the regular citizens them are dead. You're no business. So politicians have to start dead before you actually see some crime out of hand. So you are telling me, say, yeah, no reason. You know, have nothing to put up a proper investigating squad and a strongman police for at least drive look of fear in a criminal them. Like, we're going to just sit down and you're going to come talk about all of the other things them were minor towards the major thing. Why you don't say to Horace Chang, you got to go. Horace Chang, you have to go. We're going to put you over Ministry of Energy or Ministry of Fisheries and Agriculture or something, but over crime part, dog, it's not working. And a woman, them a take out the whole of the murder, them pan. Yeah, man are dead 2 years, but why? And everywhere. What do you mean them drive by and shoot 4 man, including one 15-year-old youth out of east side? It just happen everywhere. So Andrew, what you want we to do now? We must sit down and ignore them something here and say you're a good prime minister. We will do that. We will just sit down and see this and hear the news every minute a woman dead. Every minute a woman get gunshot. And we will just get up and say, Andrew is a good prime minister. Like, seriously. We have a serious problem, Andrew. It come like you alone and say we have a serious problem. You not talk about them something there. I want to say we have water shortage in your country and them things there. And you have flowing running spring where we want to give people land. People have built up a wall to running spring. We don't hear about that. We not talk to the people about the land them where you sell where you not sell. But you want to talk about mark and dual citizenship right now. We have serious problems. And since week, somebody sent me some video. Their mother in a hospital on the floor asleep. Kind of bed not there fishing up. Andrew, you can't escape this, you know. Remember you poison off the people, Andrew. Remember you and Christopher Tufton force the people to take this thing. And now it begin in the world say it's a killer of what people not come talk about. Well, not you, Andrew. Christopher Tufton. I got say. From 2022, them not giving nobody that. So, now 2020 to 2022, you force it from people. So, if what you tell about you not giving nobody from 2022, for some 2 years give from 2020 to 2022. People with dual citizen, dep on the two sides. You understand? Edward Seaga, who is the biggest laborer, where the whole of them follow, where Andrew and everybody are follow. Most people vote laborer because of Seaga, not because of Andrew and nobody went in there now. Then just dieted to Seaga. Who was Seaga? Seaga wasn't even a dual citizen. Seaga was an American. The CIA put in place to mash up Jamaica. He never have no other purpose to come here. That was Seaga's mission, to come to Jamaica and mash it up. And that's exactly what he did. How can a man when a born a Jamaican and have Jamaican parents now nothing, become Prime Minister of Jamaica for so much years? And then you have the nerve to come talk about dual citizen now, Andrew. What the fuck? What is wrong with you? A blue book Seaga have right to. Him never have no ties with no Jamaica. Seaga never know nobody at Jamaica. Seaga not related to nobody, no ants, no dog, no cat, no rat, no nothing. None at all. So how you come now to talk about a Jamaican who have dual citizenship? And that is a matter we can deal with that later too. If I so be the case. But you are going like the most important thing that in our life right now. And you know, see the woman, we get too much gunshot in her face. Last night, the 3 man running. Oh, you not care about them people there?
Yeah. Put in the comment section what you think about that. As me said, people, all of them people are afraid, you know. You know what I mean? And the joke is on PNP and JLP gang babies. You see what I say? Because no matter who in our office had the same problem. You say. We don't want to keep up with this slushy business. Go up on my Credible Boss channel because we're going to drop another video later on today. Because you know, I want bag and I want to see myself. I want you to get long too much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.